If there's something in the car, just let me know now. I appreciate honesty, okay? All right, I'm searching the rest of the car. Yeah.
2 minutes out.
It's all right. Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. Today's story will focus on officers Kyle Erickson and Elmer Pastran of the New York Police Department. On March 13th, 2018, the officers initiated a traffic stop on Jason Serrano and his girlfriend for a broken taillight. During the stop, Officer Kyle Erickson said he smelled something coming from the car and alleged that Jason had ash all over him.
You got ashes all over you. It smells like weed.
Cigarettes. I can show you the cigarettes.
It smells like weed, okay? If there's nothing in the car, you guys will be on your way.
Because the car smells like so we're going to check it, all right?
Okay, and then what?
Then that's it. Then I got to make sure everything's good with your end with the license. If it's just a permit, I'm not going to give you the summons for it. And I told you just get the taillight fixed. If there's nothing in the car, you'll be good to go. All right? If there's something in the car, just let me know now. I appreciate honesty, okay?
The two were told to exit the vehicle so that the officers could conduct a search. As Serrano exited, they argued over whether the officers could search through his jacket.
There's nothing in my jacket. I'm not getting searched for that reason. I don't have nothing in my jacket. I'm not.
Okay, well, he's going to check it.
I don't have nothing in. No.
Relax.
No, I don't need to.
This situation is about to escalate for no reason.
No, because I didn't do nothing.
Serrano's refusal ended up with him on the ground and in cuffs, all for the alleged smell of something that is now legal in the state.
Yeah, the car reached. Oh, we asked him to step out. My man got combative. So we stopped the car for a taillight. The car smelled like. We asked him to step out of the vehicle. He tried to grab a jacket that was in the vehicle. We told him to leave it there. He got combative with us, so we did a forcible takedown, and no strikes were thrown. I already called the bus for him. You safe? No, we're good, sir.
As Pastran searches through his jacket, Erickson looks to him and says, "We gotta find something."
All right, I'm searching the rest of the car.
Yeah, we gotta find something.
Actually, I'll let you check. Yeah, there's my flashlight. I'll stay with him.
Pastran stays with Serrano while Erickson searches the vehicle, and during his first brief search of the cup holder area, he finds nothing.
Everybody's badge number right now.
Yeah. Should I search the whole thing? What do you think?
Yeah, search the whole thing.
Pastran eventually joins him, and Erickson thoroughly searches the cup holder and center console, during which it appears as though Erickson dropped something into the cup holder, only to pick it back up and declare that he had found it.
You have any bees on you?
No, I don't.
ETFL 1908.
See nothing.
2 minutes out.
It's all right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Nothing?
I don't see anything.
Yeah. You send it to the truck? I'll get it for you. I just gotta check it real quick. I just gotta check it real quick.
Car seat.
Let me check it real quick. All right.
It's a little bit of weed.
He's looking in my car. I don't know if he's looking.
It's a little bit of weed.
They then claim that there are flakes in Serrano's jacket, but that is not observed in the video.
Good. Nothing? All right.
Oh, like I'm trying to make sure my baby clothes are black.
Yeah, I searched the jacket real quick. I didn't go too thoroughly with it. I don't know why you got combative for no reason. There's flakes right there. Bingo. There's flakes everywhere though.
Yeah, no, he had weed. You could see his weed here. I don't know. I'm gonna check the rest of his jacket, man.
So there's a little in the jacket, which is probably why he was fucking out. But just flakes for.
You good?
Yeah.
Good?
You good?
Yeah.
Good?
Y'all children laying down there on the ground. Y'all was just standing around
You sure you don't want to give her a summons? She was pretty cooperative.
We should, the whole
I think we
situation.
should. You have a B?
Yo, Holly.
You have a B on you? Or not?
What the funk is this?
Yo, Vin. You got bees on you? You got bees?
Damn, what's a B?
There's a little weed in the jacket that we found. Maybe that's why he was being combative. I'm not sure. So. Voucher when we get back to the station house. I got cut. I don't know how the I got cut. Hey, Medina, you have any beef on this?
Over here.
No, we
to
don't
the
know
next
what time
car.
Not charged with nothing yet. Accused of something. Still in order, denied in medical attention. Okay, all right. Ready? All righty.
There you go.
Him.
3 months after the incident, Serrano pled guilty to the resisting charge, to have the possession charge dropped and avoid going to Rikers Island, unaware that body cam evidence would have cleared him, as prosecutors didn't share the footage with his attorneys until months after his plea. Shortly after this video went viral, the officer's disciplinary records were made public, showing that Officer Erickson had been disciplined in 2 separate but very similar incidents that same year. And to no surprise, the prosecutors didn't share that information with Serrano's attorneys either. On October 29th of 2021, a judge vacated this conviction, finally clearing his name after 3 years of having his rights violated by state officials that are charged with protecting the citizens. The DA has remained silent on whether they will bring charges against the officers, and have argued in the past that this footage can be interpreted in different ways. Pastran's name is still listed in the department's personnel database, but Erickson's name is absent. The NYPD also remains silent as to their employment status.
Copy the Solar Radio Central. Suck my copy you.
2157. Cat time 2157. Unauthorized transmission.
After having his conviction vacated, Mr. Serrano would file a lawsuit in April of 2022, alleging false arrest, excessive prearrangement detention, and malicious prosecution, denial of due process and fair trial under the 5th and 14th Amendments, and included the city of New York in the complaint for municipal liability for denial of due process and a fair trial. In less than 3 months, the parties reached a settlement, which paid Mr. Serrano $200,000. The same 2 officers were sued by another victim, alleging eerily similar complaints. Their second victim settled for $326,000, and neither officer was ever charged for their obvious and blatant corruption. Let me know what you think of this story in the comments down below. And if you like this video, be sure to check out another episode linked on screen.